don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Nicholas.
Steve Bragg, how are you?
It's
been a while.
Nicholas.
Circumstance of life. Anyway,
trophy.
Even though it wasn't one of the good seasons that we used to have as Sundowns, we used to dominate from the way it started and until we finished.
Until then.
So now, like, when I really on and off, so we had to change the coaches due to certain circumstances. But overall, we have showed our character as champions. And then today we won the league. As it was expected. However, they overruled us at the beginning of the league that within Paris played 7 games and then they were saying that they won the league already. But because we did not took in too much as Sundowns supporter, we just knew that this will happen at the end of the day. And I'm also happy or delighted that Kaizer Chiefs, after so many years, we have donated the trophy to them. They haven't won them accurately or fairly so. If you can remember vividly, that second goal of Kaizer Chiefs, that's scored by Reiners. To Brias, it was clear offside. But he didn't complain. And then if you can see the final, during the final, what do you call? He was supposed to get the red card, man. Duba. And then, secondly again, Mfugeng was supposed to be awarded the penalty. It was clear penalty. Just because we are so generous. It's our brother. They've never obtained or lifted any trophy in a while. Hence, like, we combined the head down, we should give the trophy to Kaizer Chiefs, man. London, congratulations, for donation. I want to go school on it. I fail, grade 9 or 8. Constant, that's why we just conditional transfer. Condone. So, I feel Chiefs condone it. Where after so and then
Rohana ka mokho iranga teng o ka se ro mogolo monna ape monno ro mogolo ka mokho bolela mara re ke mo correct o ska re bitsa Kaizer Chiefs re bitse di champion.
Okay, champion.
Are le feelwe are you a condone?
Donation.
Are no side deserve it.
Okay, if you feel ka hete after on feel
we're not hurt. We're happy for you guys. We are happy. You see, even the price of bread dropped from 18 Rand to 10 Rand because how big Chiefs is a big team Chiefs.
Just because
Chiefs are 10 Rand from 18 Rand because Chiefs win 10 Rand.
Just like that.
All thanks to Kaizer Chiefs.
Thank you.
It's a big brand, Chiefs.
Thank you.
It's a big brand. And then I'm making a plea, Steve. We are playing the big one on Saturday next week. We are just asking all the various stakeholders, all the municipalities around South Africa, at least to give away the free passes for all the fans. Even Kaizer Chiefs, they should wear yellow. Even if they wear ANC t-shirt, it's fine. As long as we'll be doing it for South African team. Yes. Because I went through some Egyptians pages. They were rooting for Pyramids to win it. So we must put aside our rivalry and focus on the big one. So that it remains here in South Africa. Yes, we are one. Organ Jan London.
Hey, mara wa itse re na le bothata bo bo one re ba supportile from day one until today hape no dlala final so I think support le ba bantse ba ne ba le fa support yo felletse ona mo gaming la bo fela
go semi final
hape ba stia yo sa bo ithu a bo hopole
But
before my pirate.
Yeah, so bona ra ba support tlhalwanya mara ore ba kere sta sa boithore so se kere rena
but
o ka se ba support
we are not loud. We are not loud as you.
wa bona le nna ne ke supporta from game number 1 ko Cape Sundowns ne mara ba tlo ntshwarela mfuito yes nka no tla ke apere skipa se se yelo net fela for stadium se tlale mara deep down ai sta sa bobedi mfuito
Jesus totally wena
ke so le se se one mo ke tla be ke disrespecta Chiefs
o tla mo supporta jwa
ebile ke nano le ma Chiefs o tima TV tsa tse le ba nya go lo bona re se go setsa mabjang.
But you guys must learn from the best. You see, there is sense of love and camaraderie amongst our players or the whole structures as a whole. You see, on and off the field. You see, there's brotherhood, Steve. If you can see, yeah, there's a brotherhood. That's why we. If a certain player is down, you see, Romero is not been scoring goals for a while. Yes. After last during the week after scoring that goal, you see how happy they was for him. You see, we need that kind of mentality in football, especially in South Africa. As you can see, our football is elevating to the greater heights. You see, our under 20 they are going to the semi-finals, right? And our under 23 are qualified for chance. You see, our football is going somewhere, so we have to unite and be one. I'm just happy for Chiefs, man. Finally, Brian. Finally, Brian. Yeah, finally, Brian. Maybe the coming season will be more competitive. Yeah, maybe it might be on top. Maybe. I just wish.
Muno tshwere ke badimo. Yeah, he speak like a man. Yeah.
No, just a wish.
No, you are talking about man. No, it's not a wish. Umomoyeng. We are going there. We are going there.
It's all professor.
What professor, Muno?
It's a prophet.
Yeah, but they must not distinguish. They must hire most qualified coach and buy quality players.
Nabi is a qualified coach.
No, but there is speculation that he might be leaving Naturena. They're speculating now. They're not certain. So I just wish Chiefs and Pirates will employ a quality coach and they buy quality players as well.
Tell us Nabi is not quality.
It's not because it's a plumber that one.
No, you know sometimes.
It's a plumber that one.
Okay, let me not compare.
You can check his stats.
No,
even Kaiser Junior said it.
No,
even Kaiser Junior said it.
Even
Nabi, he hasn't been doing well, and then they'll have to oversee all the performances. That league, excluding the final that they recently won. Stats. Footballer exactly.
So
no, like maybe they want to employ someone or I'm assist. I don't know that. But Junior.
Something. Yes, I can understand. Dobelela ka chairman ya ka ne. Mara kenya go highlight something. Stivo. Di kenya go re highlight di game, everyone can go back to a rematch. Ne o shebe di game tso tsotlhe tse Chiefs di lositseng. Chiefs was dominating the game. Chiefs was playing very well. Beautiful. Ball position, creating more chances than opponent. Ne, but our players didn't convert those chances. Now, but we really look at performance at team when we lose those games. Look at like structure, energy on the game. Position on the game. Chances it's already created. If it more convert moting, barela konte ba betha dipala ba ira. Sometimes le bolo motho ha kika doesn't give power or energy on the ball. So but now at the end of the day, because of we didn't get the result, go coach. So I will say players basaba touchite coach profile, but coach you have done very well. But because of it didn't have anyone who can mpotsa di chances tsotlhe Chiefs di created in this season. Henkebe ba khonno di kora. Henkebe Chiefs le go kae. I rather not fire Nabi or rather get
someone
to finishing one tlhalohanya. Chiefs okay, this is what we have done for this season. Ne? Let us work on the finishing. Because of recreating chances in but ke finishing. Then let's work out more finishing. Then from decision.
So you're saying they should keep Nabi, ne?
Let's keep Nabi for now and get him what he want.
Which is quality players.
Short money. Let's say you don't want Nabi. Why you don't want Nabi? Kara onya ko mo fa material la onya ka ne o kera material wa mpongo wa wisa so o se build down ya phala ke o kerele quality then you will last for long.
Lastly Steve, I don't want to be long. I think footballer of the season is obvious. They should give it to Ribeiro.
Costa.
Yes, and then our speed point. And then to be fair enough, they should give Rele something. Maybe player of the season.
That's right.
That boy has been marvelous. Yeah. And then they should at least loan us for 3 months so that we take Rele to the Club World Cup.
That's right.
So we could make something different when Rele is available.
So you want to tell us, or Sundowns won't make it without Rele Williams?
No. He will add to the depth that we have. He will make difference. That boy is talented. We need to swallow our pride.
That's a forgery.
We need to be credible.
That's a forgery.
Give a credible.
You can't expect Rele Williams to come and give Sundowns a star, second star.
He was not second star.
Yeah.
Club World Cup. He should assist us here and there. And then at the same time, he'll be marketing himself to play for quality clubs.
Nicolas.
Oh,
Thank you,
thanks you.
my friend.